Wow, I am Anchor Fabrice by name. By the grace of God, I'm a member of our Good Shepherd. Our Good Shepherd is an NGO, non-governmental organization by the grace of God, headed under the mentorship and auspices of Mrs. Pauline Njema Ekome. That's our CEO. Today we visited two orphanages by the grace of God. We visited the Children Full of Grace Orphanage and Save the Children Alliance Orphanage. The day was very wonderful. We just thank God for grace. We thank God for financial upliftment. He has been uplifting our CEO, and of course, she has really been doing a great job. Yeah, of course, the objectives of this NGO, we train medical personnel, or better still, health workers. We train them, we impact them so that they too can impact their various communities, especially in the issue of health, in the domain of health. The truth is that COVID-19 has proved to the world that health is very important. Not just COVID-19, but health as a whole is very important in human life. Away from that, the NGO also organizes conferences, seminars, workshops to educate young people, especially girls, on menstrual hygiene and other pharmaceuticals with respect to the medical field. We also give assistance to the underprivileged, to youth who are really undergoing difficulties, especially in the health domain. We thank God for our CEO. We know God has always been uplifting her, and by the grace of God, when she gets to Cameroon, the seminar or the conference she's planning to organize, I just believe lives are going to be touched. Some people's health situations are going to be different. We know if First Chronicles 16:34 is actually true, then it means His love endureth forever. We thank God for He has been lifting us up. He has been lifting our CEO from one level to another, and we know His grace is sufficient in our life. Thank you very much.